This is my housemate Tanae.
Hi.
I'm Tamika. Nice to meet you all. So today we're doing a unboxing haul that came in the mail today, and I'd like to thank Green Tea X50 for sending this out to us. And now we're going to show you what's inside. So we've got 2 Green Tea X50 bags. Tanae's going to show you. Then we've got some of these amazing broccoli chips, which will be in the next video that we'll be posting for you. And we have received 2 Green Tea X50 hats, which I really like. We both got some of the Green Tea X50 sachets, which you can buy from most leading Go Health clubs or the protein place in the shopping centres at Chermside. And I really like the original flavour and the mango. And we also got a protein shaker, and also you can see me opening the tops. We have also received some of the green tea energy drinks, which I've tried before. You can see close, it's a raspberry flavour. And that's a good time when you're on the run. And finally we have some of the green tea skin protein powder, you can see here. And that's all of our packages that we got. And again, we'd like to thank the Green Tea X50 team. Thank you very much. We appreciate your kind work and like to...
Thanks, Green Tea X50. You guys are amazing.
And strive to come up with new flavours. Bye.